how to remove yourself from your Facebook page as an admin. So let's see in this video. First of all, open up your Facebook page, and here you can see the profile icon. Tap on that, and here you can see the manage option. Tap on manage, and scrolling down, tap on the page access option. So here you can see you are the admin of your page and you only have the access to the activities of your page. But before removing yourself as an admin, you must add someone who can have the task access related to this page. I have made the video related to this topic, so you can check it out in my channel. After that, tap in the 3-line button, and here you can see the view access option. If you have already added the person, then when you click the 3 button, the remove access option will also be displayed here. So you can tap on the remove access option and you can remove yourself as an admin from your Facebook page. So by following these simple steps, you can remove yourself as an admin from your Facebook page. So I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more updating tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.